Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of real analysis asked in IIT JAM 2022. So our question is, let S be the set of all functions f from R to R satisfying mod of fx minus f of y to the power whole square is less than mod of x minus y to cube for all x y in R, then which of the following is or are true? So here this is a function given which is defined from R to R. So we have to see this function, and based on this function we have find the set S, and we have to solve one by one option. So what is given? So first we have to see this function f of x minus f of x minus f of y to the whole square is less than equals to x minus y to the power q. This is given. So if we divide whole square both side, what we get, which implies f of x minus f of y upon x minus y whole to the mod square is less than x minus y, right? If we take the limit both side, what we get, limit x tends to y mod of f of x minus f of y upon of x minus y square is less than equals to limit x tends to y mod of x minus y. So here if limit x tends to y, this is what, this function is what, f dash of y, and if x tends to y this becomes 0. So this implies what? So this implies f dash of y whole square is equals to 0 for every y. हर एक y के लिए ये 0 हो जाएगा. Now if the square is equals to 0, then it's also equals to 0, that is mod of fy is equals to 0, which implies what? F of y is constant, right? So what question said? S is the set of all function. So which type of function is this? This is a constant function. Now based on this solution we discuss option. So what is the first option? Every function in S is differentiable. We see the function in S is what? This is a constant function. So every constant function is differentiable, right? So option A is correct. So second option, there exists a function f belongs to S such that f is twice differentiable but f is not thrice differentiable. So this option is not correct because every constant function is infinitely time differentiable. So option this is also false. Third option, there exists a function f belongs to S such that f is differentiable but f dash is not differentiable. So this option is f is not twice differentiable. So twice it is differentiable infinitely many times, so it can be twice differentiable also. So this option is also false. F is infinitely differentiable, so this option is correct. So this is a question based on limit, and this is a result also that this type of functions are always constant. This type of function are always constant, and every constant function satisfy this two condition, that is infinitely differentiable. If it is infinitely differentiable, then this function is differentiable. So in this case this is a constant function. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.